Hi everyone, today we are going to solve another LeetCode problem, valid palindrome using Python. Let's first understand the problem and then explore how we can crack this using Python. A palindrome is a sequence of characters that reads the same forward and backwards like level or race car. In this problem, we are given a string containing alphanumeric characters. Our task is to determine if it is valid palindrome, ignoring cases and non-alphanumeric characters. The approach we will follow: first we will convert the string to lowercase, and then we will remove non-alphanumeric characters. After that, we will use two pointers technique to check if it is a palindrome. Next, if characters at corresponding positions are equal, move towards the middle. If it is not, it is not a palindrome. At the last, if we reach the middle without finding unequal characters, it is a valid palindrome. So let's jump into the code. We are given with the function is palindrome that is receiving two arguments. Our concern is with this string. This function returns a bool. First, we will convert this string to lowercase and remove non-alphanumeric characters. For this purpose, I will do this lines converts the string to lowercase and remove all alphanumeric characters. I know it is a bit difficult to understand what is happening over here, so I will break it down. I have used a for loop. What this will do is it will return a character from a string and check if it is a numeric, if it is a alphanumeric. If it is alphanumeric, it will convert into lowercase, then it will join the string without a space. I hope that is clear. Next, we will initialize two pointers with name left and right. Left will refer to the beginning of the string and right will point to the right of the string. For that, left is equal to 0 and right is equal to s start length -1. Okay. If we take an example, left will point to this index of the string and right will point to this index of the string. Next, I will write a while loop. We will use a while loop to iterate until left pointer is less than the right. Inside the loop, we will check if characters at left and right pointers are not equal, return false. We will return false. We will check if s of left is not equal to s of right. In that case, sorry, there is no brackets in Python. Return false. What this if condition do is it will check if the left of the string, which is in this case a, and right of the string is not equal. If it is not equal, it will return false, indicating that our given string is not a palindrome. What if they both are equal? If they are equal, I want to increment left to move to the middle, and I want to decrement right to move right to the middle. For that, after if, I will increment left by 1 and I will decrement right by 1. If the loop completes without returning false, it means that the given string is a palindrome. For that purpose, we will return true. So that's it for the code. Let's run the code and see does this code passes our cases. Okay, there is an error. I forget, in Python you have to return capital true. Let's run it again. Our case 1 is accepted, and case 2 is accepted, and case 3 is also accepted. In case 3, you can see we have removed this space by using this line of code. So our cases are accepted. Now we can finally submit the code. Our submission is also accepted. That wraps up our Python implementation of the valid palindromy problem. Python makes it super easy, doesn't it? Keep coding and exploring, and I will see you in the next one.